Hi. Hello. Live. Hi. Hi everyone. Welcome to another vlog. And I know it's been a while. There hasn't been much going on with me. Maliban sa school and work and dito sa bahay. So wala din naman akong content sa video. But I thought na i-share sa inyo 10 essentials na isang Leah. I'm the type of person na madalas routine lang yung ginagawa everyday. So, I might as well share with you guys ano yung 10 essentials ko in everyday. Start off with pinaka-kailangan ko na hindi ako maka-go through my day without it. Eyeglasses. So, malabo yung mata ko talaga. Nag-start siya late high school. Teacher namin, that time, hindi siya mahilig magsulat sa board or wala siya masyadong mga written teaching materials. So, usually, sa projector kami nakatingin. Yun yung nag-trigger para lumabo yung mata ko. And then, I started using eyeglasses first year college. Next is this, ponytail. I have a bunch of this. Siguro, mga 4 na dosena. Like, marami talaga. This is really an essential for me kasi mahilig akong magtali ng buhok. So, next and the third one is this Lux Organics daily sunscreen. So, I remember I discovered this way back in the Philippines nung nag-move out ako. Ang dami kong tinry nun for face skincare. And ito lang yung nagstay for me na maganda talaga. So, hindi siya nagli-leave ng any cast. It's very lightweight. It's refreshing kapag in-apply mo na siya onto your face. Walang Lux Organics dito sa Canada. So, tinitipid ko kaya hindi ko rin mapakita sa inyo kung ano yung kulay niya kasi. Sayang! I know na dapat ginagamit siya everyday. Even if walang sun directly sa kung nasan kami sa bahay. But most of the time I only wear it kapag lalabas ako. You guys can try this. Ganda siya. Next on our list is a tumbler. Hindi ako mainom ng tubig. And I think magandang reinforcement yung may nakikita kong lalagyan dyan ng tubig para, you know, before I go to sleep or first thing in the morning kapag makita ko yung glass, mapapainom ako. So, I think essential din siya for me every day because we gotta drink our water. Next off, we have here, what's this? It's a planner. What do you call this? Dotted pages notebook from Muji. Susulat ako ng sarili kong calendar from January to December. This is the first time na ginawa ko to. I think year 2018, second year college ako. Naging fond ako ng pagpa-planner. Super helpful ng plano. Kasi for me, I like my day planned and controlled. Parang hindi kaya ng anxiety ko na hindi ko nalilista yung dapat kong magawa for that day. And not just for the day. I actually plan my whole week. Parang hindi ko siya makakalimutan as long as nakalista siya dito. Ganito usually yung mukha niyan. So, yung mga naka-highlight na gawa ko. I think it's really helpful for people like me na kailangan nilang i-plan or i-list down ko ano yung mga gusto nilang gawin or kailangan nilang matapos, kailangan nilang gawin. We're halfway through our list and next on our list is this one. Earbuds. Super essential sa akin kahit before pa. High school pa ako, even elementary, na meron akong headset, kahit yung wired pa. Kailangan ko to in everyday, especially kapag lalabas ako ng bahay kasi during commuting, gusto kong makikinig ng music or ng podcasts. And also, essential din siya for work and sometimes sa school kapag may mga virtual classes. sa work kapag may mga meetings. 7th on our list, of course, ang ating wallet. Dito is usually ganito lang, card holder. Ito kailangan ko siya, although may Apple Pay naman na itatap mo lang yung phone mo sa mga yung tawag sa ganun, yung parang Paymongo, Maya. Kasi itatap mo parang payment system. Payment comment nyo na yung tawag dun. Ito, kailangan ko siyang dalhin everyday kasi nandito yung aking Metro or Presto card. So, ito yung tinatap sa TTC. TTC, Toronto Transport Commission. Basta yun yung main transport system nila dito. Meron silang subway, meron silang streetcar, tsaka buses. So, parang beep card lang siya. Reloadan mo, itatap mo. School ID. Hindi naman masyadong kailangan to. Library ID and photo ID. Photo ID ng Ontario. Wala akong ibang nagagamit dito actually. Since yung credit card and debit card is pwede through Apple Pay naman. Pero feel ko mawawala or misplace ko to somewhere kung hindi siya nakalagay dito. Super essential one. 8th essential thing on our list, lalo na kapag lalabas ako, is alcohol. For me, essential to simula nag-start yung pandemic. Parang kulang kapag wala akong panglinis ng kamay. And ako, mahilig akong gumamit ng kamay sa lahat ng bagay. Excuse me. Mahilig akong humawak ng muka or ng leeg. So, kung mapapansin ninyo sa video na to or from the previous videos ko, mahilig ako humawak ng ilong, tapos hawak ko sa tenga ko, tapos hawak ko malapit sa bibig, or basta anywhere sa mukha ko, hindi ko alam, unconsciously, nahawakan ko siya. So, kailangan ko talaga palaging nagsispray ng something sa kamay kasi malikot siya. Second to the last essential thing sa list natin. This might be a little unusual, but for someone like Leah, isang essential na bagay sa akin is sweaters or hoodies or jackets. Basically, anything na pwedeng pang taklob or pang doble kasi very malamigin akong tao. Kahit nasa Pilipinas ako, konting aircon lang, mapadaan na ako somewhere, lamig na ako agad. Kailangan ko siya, super kailangan ko ng pandoble. And last but not the least, of course, is cellphone. Hindi ko lang mapakita sa inyo kasi nagre-record ako ngayon. But yeah, last and most essential thing next to my eyeglass siguro is yung phone. And hindi lang yung phone itself, but a fully charged or well-charged phone. Kasi hindi ako comfortable gumamit ng phone, especially kapag lalabas ako and wala akong kasama or lalayo ako na hindi mataas yung battery. Maybe because I wanna be prepared or sure or safe kapag kailangan in cases of emergency na gamitin yung phone. Or even kapag may power outage or interruption, at least meron akong reserve battery percentage para dun. And you guys should also make it a habit. Kasi we don't know kung kailan natin kailangan ng mas mahabang life ng phone natin. So there you have it, guys. That's basically the 10 essential things in my life. So from eyeglasses down to my phone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and actually wala talaga akong maisip kung ano pwede i-content. So if you guys have any idea what I can do for a video as content to upload in my channel, you can always ping me or comment. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!